Today we're gonna be changing, as usual, air cabin filter on a 2009 Honda Accord. Same one for pretty much 05, 04, 08, 09, all the way to 2012, 13, same. Simply open the glove box, take out the belongings from the glove box. Now pull this little level out, as you see with the fingers, like a little hook, and then move the glove box this way and that way, and this will drop. Next, airflow. See, it shows even the arrows. There's those two little notches. You grab them, pull this out. Look at this. Oof, gross. Out with the old and with the new. 130,000 miles later. So I've seen this with 50,000 worst. So please change them at least 15-20,000 miles. Usually that's pretty much for average person. It's once a year. So let's put the new filter back in there. Look for the arrows. Airflow down. Down. Airflow down. See, this way. So now remove the old one in there. Oof, that's pretty thick.